The hospital has come under scrutiny in recent days. Most recently, a couple of days ago, after Rebecca Wangari, a 23-year-old, bled to death after delivering at the facility.
There's been a general outcry of service delivery in this hospital for the last close to 2-3 years. And in the last 1 or 2 weeks, there has been an incident where the community has had an outcry. So we'd say that the issues have been there, but they have culminated on an incident. So I want to assure the public and the community that we are working very hard to make sure that this outcry has been there is resolved and there is a smooth service provision to the public.
Speaking after disbanding the board, CM Samuel Mwaura noted that firing of the board was part of restructuring at the hospital and improving service delivery.
Emanating from that incident today, the governor has decided to dissolve the board of the hospital. A new board will be gazetted in the course of the week so that they take up that role better of making sure that they are the ambassadors of the community in the hospital. Because the role of the board is nothing else, apart from oversight, is to be the ambassador of the community in the hospital and also to be the ambassador of the hospital in the community. The board has a mandate of doing oversight. The board is drawn, ideally, if you look at the regulation, the board should be drawn from the community of residents or service provision. And therefore, that's why we had the governor promise that when she's reconstituting the boards, we are going to have boards constituted from people who reside within that community.
The disbandment of the board comes just a day after area residents staged demonstrations calling for justice for the deceased, saying her death was due to negligence at the facility.
Hiyo asubuhi vile alitupigia akatuambia anakufa usiku, hatukurajua, alishinda akitupigia simu, tukamuuliza hapo hakuna madaktari wanapita wasimamishe. Ati najaribu kuwasimamisha, wanapita wanakuja wakiwa wamepitanisha, wakiwa wamevaa earphones, hata watusikizi. Unajaribu kusimamisha, amevaa earphones, anapita, haezi hata kuangalia.
The residents alleged mismanagement of the facility as one of the challenges facing the hospital.
Na kesi tumesikia zimehusiana na watu kupoteza maisha yao hapa. Mwaka jana tulikuwa na kesi ya mama mwingine wa Kenongi. Alikuja hapa hakupewa attention na alipata mtoto kwa flow, huyo mtoto wake akapoteza maisha yake. Wamama wetu wanaumia hapa kwa hospitali na hakuna watu wa kuwaulizia.
Mwaura further say the county will hire more doctors to ensure that patients get proper service and avert such cases in future.
We don't have enough healthcare providers in our health facilities, and you realize that that's one of the big, healthcare. The most important aspect of healthcare is the service provider, because even counseling or even preventive health services are health services. You can't do it without a healthcare provider. So I have to say that we have a huge shortage.
Ian Keitani, Look Up TV.